Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Begin by inspecting the door threshold closely for gaps and damage. Use a tape measure to record the gap size, noting any 3/4-inch variations. Remove the threshold screws using a screwdriver or drill. Pull the threshold straight up to avoid splintering the surrounding floor. Clean the subfloor thoroughly, removing old caulk and debris. Measure the opening twice to confirm length and width. Note the door clearance and backer materials for selecting a replacement threshold. Choose a replacement threshold that matches your measured length and thickness. Prefer a metal or hardwood threshold rated for exterior use. Test fit the new threshold in the opening before final trimming. Trim the threshold using a hacksaw or miter saw for a precise cut. Sand any rough edges after trimming for a clean fit. Check that the threshold allows a 1/8-inch gap under the door for proper clearance. Adjust as needed until the fit is flush and stable. Position the threshold and mark screw locations every 12 inches for even fastening. Pre-drill screw holes to prevent splitting in wood or aluminum thresholds. Fasten using stainless screws that resist corrosion outdoors. Apply exterior-grade caulk along both threshold edges to seal against moisture. Run a bead of caulk under the threshold for added waterproofing where needed. Test the door operation and observe any rubbing or binding. If rubbing occurs, trim or plane the door by 1/16 inch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.